next couple of days we're gonna explore Tallinn.
Can't wait to leave the hotel and just get out in the city.
But we are not alone in this trip. We actually have travel companions. These are my parents, and they're gonna come along for the ride.
Or actually, we are coming along on their ride.
Yes, this is actually their trip, and we are tagging along. So, together with these two, we are going to leave the hotel and start exploring the city. Alright, let's go!
Yes!
Let's go! Normally it takes about an hour and a half to travel from Copenhagen to Tallinn. And we were supposedly taking a flight that would take us directly from Copenhagen to Tallinn. But 2 days ago the airline that we are traveling with notified us that they have cancelled our flight. So we had to travel from Copenhagen to Stockholm and from Stockholm to Tallinn. So now that we're in Tallinn, it's already 6:30.
Yeah, the good thing about traveling to Stockholm was that we were at 2 airports today. We were staying at a hotel just outside the wall of the old city, and we just got into the old city, and you can see it's a quite small town, but it's very cute. Today's vlog is kind of short, but it's because it's been a long travel day.
But we're gonna pick it up early tomorrow morning, and we have a full day planned with a lot of fun stuff. So we're really gonna explore Tallinn tomorrow. So see you then.